Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to view and manage staff information. This will help you easily review payslips and check the availability of your team. It's simple. To begin, head to the navigation menu and click Staff. This section serves as your central hub for all staff-related data, displaying essential details such as staff names, roles contacts, and their current status. Please note that if the status is deactivated, the staff member will no longer appear in the booking system. This ensures that teachers on temporary leave won't receive new bookings during their absence. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific staff members or apply filters for better navigation. You can also click on the column header to sort chronologically or alphabetically. To view more detailed information, simply click on a staff member's name or profile photo, which will open their profile page. Here, you can view, edit, or delete their information. The Account tab allows you to view or edit the staff member's basic information. You can assign a custom color to each teacher in your calendar. This makes it easier to identify bookings and view your schedule at a glance. But if you want to review and edit more detailed information, click on the Profile tab. Here you can view not just contact information, but also a personal bio, awards, and more. In the Availability tab, you can set working hours, enable specific days, and add breaks to their schedule. This is crucial because this will show up during the enrollment process so they can get booked. You can also add personal holidays for each staff member. School-wide holidays are managed separately. The Courses tab lists all the courses assigned to the staff member, including session details and the number of enrolled students. The Students tab displays a list of students linked to the staff member, including their names, emails, and assigned courses. In the Payments tab, you can review payment summaries, including details such as payment period, per hour rates. For more detailed information, click View Payslip. You can even download the payslip as a PDF. To configure payment options, head to the Payment Settings tab, where you can set payment frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly. Enter payment details and adjust custom payment settings like per hour rates and guaranteed hours. Finally, the Files tab allows you to upload and manage documents specific to the staff member. And that's it! Managing staff information is efficient. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.